Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating how I make a water infusion using cucumbers, lime, and mint. The first thing you'll need is a container to store the finished product, a pot to boil the water if you decide to use that rather than distilled, and then you'll need a cutting board, a knife, a lime, a cucumber, and some mint, of course. So while I am getting my container ready, make sure you give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll never miss another DIY or another demo from Educated Fit. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just prepare my water to be boiled. So I just fill up my container and then I'll dump it into the pot to make sure I have the right amount of water. You can go ahead and use filtered water if you like, but I noticed that when I use the warm water from boiling, I get a much better flavor. So now I'm just going to pour my water into the pot, kind of at the brim, but that's okay. And then I'm going to set my stove all the way up to high and wait for it to boil. Now while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'm just going to go ahead and cut up everything that I'm going to be putting into this water, and I'm going to be putting in some limes. So just chop those up and put them to the side. Next, I'm going to chop up my cucumbers, just slicing them into the same size you would for a salad. It's your preference. After I slice them up, I then transfer them over into a bowl, and now I'm just gonna sit back and wait for my water to boil. Once you've let your water boil for a few minutes, you're just gonna turn down the flame and allow it to cool for a few minutes before you transfer it over into your container. If you decided to use filtered water instead, you can completely skip this boiling process. Next, I'm going to add my contents for the water, which are cucumbers first. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my mint. And one thing that I noticed about the mint is that it likes to sit at the top of the water, so I just go ahead and push that down. Next, I'm going to squeeze my lime wedges right into the water. Make sure you clean your hands first. You don't want any gunk from your hands or underneath your nails to be transferred into your water. It will be pretty gross. Now I'm just going to give it a good stir, and then I'm going to allow it to sit on my counter until it is room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. And that's it. There's your detox water. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.